Welcome to my life. Just work, school, home. Work, school, home. In that order. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Just finished doing a workout. It was pretty good. I have to say, y'all, I think I'm getting snatched. Well, not super snatched yet. It's only been like maybe like a week and a half I've been doing this. I'm too scared to weigh myself because I'm just gonna get disappointed if I don't lose weight. But I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna shower, get ready for work, all that. I think I'm gonna pick up some food. So yeah, what's up, guys? So it's a new day. It's Sunday. I mean, oh my god, it's Saturday. It's not Sunday. I've just been doing homework. Like, the semester is at its last leg, so I'm still doing everything for finals, last minute assignments and stuff. So it's gonna be really boring. I'm not even gonna film a real YouTube video for a long time because I have no time. And yeah, so it's just crazy. I can't wait for the semester to be over. It's almost over. One step at a time. It's almost done. So just gotta keep pushing through it, college students. Just keep going. It's almost over. You've got this. You've got this. Haven't vlogged Brenda in a while. She's doing pretty good. I hit her like stems like 4 times, so it's like broken here. She's broken like right here too, so but she's still doing good. She's got like some new ones sprouting. I don't know if you probably like can't even see that, but she's sprouting like right there. So she's growing. She is growing very slowly, but she is. And she's enjoying her sunlight. So what's up, guys? So it's Monday. I'm gonna head to work. I feel like most of my vlogs are just me saying I'm gonna go to work, like, but this is life. I mean, just welcome to my life. Just work, school, home. Work, school, home. In that order. I've been up all night doing an essay. I like just finished it, y'all. I literally just finished it, handed it in and everything, and now I'm just going to work. I literally slept for like 2-3 hours. I drank a Bang Energy. And you know what's crazy? Because this shit really fucked me up. Like, I don't know what this did. I don't know if I ate it. I don't know if I drank it on like an empty stomach or something. I didn't even finish it. But it's the Bang Cotton Candy. It's like an energy drink. And girl, I don't know. Don't drink this on an empty stomach. I don't know. Because my stomach, when I woke up this morning, it hurt so bad. I was like, what the hell? I had to stop my essay. The essay was really due at 6 a.m. Oh my god. You know what that is? You know what that is, y'all? That's lotion. I just lotioned my face. That's what's on my face right now, lotion. Anyway, I woke up and I was like, not woke up, I was still awake the whole time. But after I chugged it, my stomach was hurting so bad and I had to actually stop writing my essay. Like, it was due at 6. I ended up having to hand it in at like 7 a.m. because it was due at 6 a.m. and I had to hand it in at 7 a.m. because I don't know, that Bang did me dirty. It kept me awake though. Like, I'm still like wide awake right now because I drank that. I drank it at like 2:30 a.m. so, but yeah, I slept for like 2-3 hours and I'm still pretty energized, so it definitely worked. But the caffeine hit too hard, y'all. It was hurting my stomach so bad. I was about to call out of work, but your girl needs money, so couldn't really do that. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. It's finals week, so like it's really nothing interesting. Today I have to study for calc. Then I have a calc exam at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Why is there online calc exam at 8 a.m? I don't know why they made it at 8 a.m. Like, they couldn't at least do 9, 10. Like, they dead made this exam at 8 a.m. for no reason. Like, and the class is at like 9:55 when school used to be open. That's why I'm like, what the hell? But what's up, guys? So exciting news. Brenda has a new sister, cousin, I guess you can call her. But yes, a new plant. Yes. So I don't know what we're gonna name her. I really don't. It's a her again. I know. Should I make this one a he? No. No. Sisters unite. Girls unite. So sorry, but this is a girl. It's cute. It's like a cactus. I need to, so what I did with this plant is, you know, this isn't the original pot. I like depotted it and put in this other pot that I had. But with this one, this is like, it's not focusing for nothing, but it's like a cactus. How would I go about depotting a cactus without like hurting my fingers, right? Am I like an idiot for thinking that? I don't know, but cause like it's like a real cactus, so it's not like super sharp, but it's one of those like small mini ones, so it's still sharp, so like I can't touch it. So I'm wondering how I'm going to depot it, but oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. I love it. It was a surprise from my boyfriend, so yeah, that's right, he didn't get me regular flowers, he got me a plant, a cactus. He knows what I want. What's up, guys? Wow, I look very crusty. So today's Thursday. It's really just been finals week, so I have not vlogged at all, but I have my last calc final today, so figured today would be the day I kind of vlog a lot. So I wanted to show you, I probably have to go back to the window. I'm so sorry, my brother is so loud. I should probably talk louder. Okay, got some tilapia loins that I'm gonna make today. They make it with some broccoli, potatoes, and stuff. So I'll show you guys how to do that later, and then do some activities with my brother, just some speech activities, and then not occupational. Oh my god, there's a word for it, but it's like physical things, like making him cut things, making him, like stuff like that. No? So we basically have this book that we made full of all these different activities. We're going to go through a few of them, not too many, because he gets pretty tired and bored of this. Of all this stuff, but that's basically what we're gonna do right now. And then after that, we'll do like blocks and coloring and then all that. What do you need when you brush your teeth? What do you need when you brush your teeth?
Brush your teeth.
So toothpaste, toothbrush. Say toothbrush. Water. And yeah, that's actually it. So toothbrush, toothpaste, and a water. Now, what do you need when you take a shower?
Shower.
So what do you need? Towel?
Towel?
Soap?
Also.
Shampoo? Water. finally gave a name. She's still in the wrapper, but her name is da 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 da, drum roll. Her name is Cactesia. Get it? Like a cactus and like Cactesia. I mean, yeah, I think it's a cute name. So this is Cactesia. We'll put her right next to Brenda. Brenda has such like a boring, like, no offense, white people name, but it's okay. I still cherish her. I enjoy. She just looks like a Brenda. Aloe named Brenda. You know what I mean? And then we have her, you know, she's got a lot going on. She's got the flowers. She's mad cute. That's why her name will be Cactesia. You know what I mean? We're gonna take some All Bay, lemon paprika, lime spice blend, lemon pepper, seasoned salt, sweet Spanish paprika, as well as smoky chipotle paprika. And then when we're done, we'll add limoncello oil on top, as well as a fresh lemon on top too. Oh my god. It keeps getting in my recycling bin. Time for a taste test. It's really good. Oh yeah. And then now for the fish. Oh yes. Yes. So good. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.